How to make Capcut baby face. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Quick Guide. Today in this tutorial video I will show you guys how you can make Capcut baby face. So let's get right into the video. Firstly, make sure that your Capcut application is up to date. So this baby face basically allows your photo to transform into baby face using AI in Capcut. Now open your Capcut application. Select any one of the photo you want. For example, I will use this picture. Make sure that the photo you have selected have enough facial features shown. Now once you are on this page, click on the photo. Now you can see the different options at the toolbar at the bottom of the screen. Click on the style. Now keep on scrolling and tap on face swap option. Now at the bottom list you can see the option of baby face. Click on it. Wait for a while and there you have it. In this simple way you can make baby face in Capcut. I hope this video helped you. Don't forget to drop a like and subscribe to my channel. We'll see you on next video. Till then, stay tuned. Bye bye.